it's Freya. In this video, we're going to make DIY decorations for Scarlet's first birthday. You want love for mommy? Flowers. Oh, thank you. It's not halata. Hi, it's Freya. In this video, we're going to make DIY decorations for Scarlet's first birthday. We've made a video about DIYs before. Yun naman, yung 6 months si Scarlett. And now that she's turning 1, we're going to make some DIY decorations again. And this time, it's unicorn theme. Today is 1 week before Scarlett's birthday. And talagang pinaaga namin ang paggawa dahil marami pa kaming gagawin, like the numbers and yung mga backdrop. Marami pa kaming gustong gawin para sa decorations ng birthday ni Scarlett. Para mapagplanuhan namin ng maigi kung ano yung gagawin namin sa birthday niya or kung ano yung design na gagawin namin para sa birthday niya. Sinisimulan na namin ngayon gawin yung number 1. Yung number 1 stand-in na nagagamit namin since nung birthday ko pa. Ilang beses na namin yung nagamit. Itong birthday ko, birthday ng kapatid ko, pati nung first month ni Scarlett, and now, first birthday ni Scarlett. Diba? Gamit na gamit. Naisip namin na gawin na lang unicorn theme because of this. This is actually the project of my sister when she was senior high school. And since meron na kaming ganito, why not unicorn theme na rin lang ang gawin namin para sa birthday ni Scarlett? So, saktong-sakto, diba? Hindi na namin kailangan mag-isip ng iba pang theme. Kasi meron ng ganito. And para magamit din naman to para sa decorations. And thank you rin pala for our ate na nagpahiram ng gown ng baby niya na unicorn theme din para kay Scarlett. At perfect na perfect talaga ang theme na to para sa birthday niya ngayon. So now, while Scarlett is playing in her crib and now nag-iingay na dahil gusto na naman magpapansin. Huh? Hello! My sister started making this. Ito yung sinasabi kong matagal na namin ginagamit since birthday ko pa. And gamit na gamit talaga to. But now, we're going to decorate it with crepe paper. Ang gagawin namin dito sa crepe paper nito, we're going to shape this like a flower. And then, yun yung ididikit namin dito. Para naman magka-volume and magka-design naman ito. And, lalagyan din namin ng unicorn sa ibabaw. Unicorn horn sa ibabaw para it looks like a unicorn. Hi baby, say hi. What do you want? Why you're so ingay? Why you're so loud? Oh, that's your toys. Why did you throw all your toys? Huh? Papansin ka na naman. You want love? You want love, mommy? You want love from mommy? High five! Ay, wala sa mood na. Apo, mommy is coming na. Mommy is going to get you na, okay? Today is the second day of our DIY making. Kahapon, halos wala kaming nagawa and puro plano lang. And also, meron din kami ibang ginagawang mga gawaing bahay and may baby kami, so hindi naman all the time nakakapaggawa kami nito. May mga times talaga na nakakatamad gumawa, kaya yun, dodaylan pa no? So I'm just continuing making the flowers. Ako na nakatoka dito sa flowers. And then, Mariel, my sister, started making yung big flowers naman for the backdrop. We are just doing simple decorations lang naman eh. And yung design nito is inspired by one of the YouTuber. I only searched the design on YouTube and kung ano yung mga process ang gagawin, and we just changed it a little bit. We changed the materials a little. Ano lang to, mga affordable materials na murang-mura lang talaga at hindi na papamahal. Dahil onti lang naman din ang budget namin for this. And hindi naman kailangan talaga ng engranding celebration or engranding decoration. Kung ano lang yung kaya namin. So, since nag-DIY naman kami, since noon pa, mahilig na kami sa crafts, kaya naman namin to gawin. Especially yung kapatid ko. Talagang hilig niya mag-crafting. And mas maayos yung gawa niya kaysa sa akin, to be honest. And since pandemic ngayon, we're not going to invite a lot of people. Kami-kami lang. And yung ibang kalaro ni Scarlett, kasi meron din siya nakakalaro mga big kids, ng mga neighbor lang namin. Yun lang, papakainin lang namin sila and they can play a little. And the purpose of this decoration is for the pictorial only and for the videos, of course. Para may memories. And when Scarlett is grown up, she can look back and watch these videos. Yun lang naman talaga ang purpose ko kung bakit ginawa ko tong YouTube channel ko. Para may ma-look back kaming memories. And bonus na lang yung mga nanonood sa amin. So, thank you po sa mga nanonood and sa mga nagsusubscribe po sa amin. Hi! This is our third day of DIY making. And gumagawa pa rin akong flowers. Tagal, no? Hindi, ano lang naman, malapit na ako matapos. And nakagawa na yung sister ko ng petals na ikakat na lang namin. Nakagawa na siya ng patterns that we will cut. And then, ididikit na lang yon. And also this. Ididikit na lang to dun sa number 1 na standee. Nagkakagising lang na Scarlett. And she wants to cling on me, so she's here. And you're looking at yourself, hindi? May tablet kasi dito. Parang nakita niya yung sarili niya doon, naka-off yung tablet. You want to help mommy? That's you. My cute, beautiful. Scarlett, can you get the tape and give it to mommy, please? Give it to mommy. Thank you. Good job. What's that? There's a hole in it. You can pick up the hole. Ay, wow, that one. Thank you. Wow, good job. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Oh, thank you. Kiss mommy. I'm making a flower. Yes, flower. You like flowers, don't you? No, let go now, let go. Oh, it's ruined na. Ruined. I have to fix it. I'm going to remove this na lang. It's not halata na. I'll take the tape and take the bottom so it won't scatter. Where's the toy? Where did you put the toy? It's in there. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. DIY making. And run out ngayon, so we're here outside. While my sister is doing this flower. Ang ganda, diba? Kulang na lang siya ng something sa loob. Para to sa backdrop, para sa birthday ni Scarlett. Parang ito yung flower crown ng unicorn. Kasi lalagyan namin ng unicorn sa gitna. I hope it turns out nice. You want a flower? You like the flower? Wow! Ay! 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 Oh! Ay! Oh, say sorry to Tata. Tata made this for you.
No!
Say sorry.
Say sorry. Say sorry. Ay, Scarlett?
Say sorry to Tata. Look, oh, it's ruined na.
Bad.
Pwede naman i-plancha, diba? Going to the market to order some cake. Now, one day before Scarlett's birthday, and I'm pumping the balloons.
这一次，我真的睡着了。
So, dito na namin nilagay sa taas itong backdrop. Pero, ang original plan is dito. Kaya lang, kulimlim and may bagyo. So, hindi na namin nilalagay dito kasi may tumutulo doon. Baka mabasa yung mga decoration. So, dito na lang kahit mataas. It is now Scarlett's birthday! So that's it for this video. For the next video, I will upload our celebration for Scarlett's first birthday. I've also made a playlist of our videos. If you want to check it, the link is in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to keep you more updated and to get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!